शिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. Today's subject for satsang is power of consciousness. As you are all aware, I am continuing on Siddha tradition. So first day, we invoked the presence of Siddhas, then we started working on different experiences and truths revealed in Siddha tradition. Last few days we are working on the states of consciousness by Siddha tradition. As you are aware, I explained Jakrat Swapna Sushupti, Turiya and Turiya Adhita. Then Jakrat, the wakeful waking. I have explained the wakeful waking also in the last session. Now we will enter into the Jakrat Swapna, means awake physically but dreaming mentally. Understand, this is one of the worst dangerous state for human beings. State in which some information is remembered and the rest is forgotten due to the wavering mind and lack of awareness. I can say this is the poison for human consciousness. Please understand. State in which the Jakrat Swapna, state in which some information is remembered, some is forgotten due to wavering mind and lack of awareness. I am giving you the exact translation as per the Siddhas, as per the Siddha tradition. There was a pot. One guy tried to pour millions of gallons of milk in that pot, but he was never able to fill that pot just because there was a small hole in the pot. There are people, I pour not billions of gallons into them. Not only I am not able to fill the pot, I am not even able to make the pot wet. It is just because of this hole, Jakrat Swapna, most dangerous hole in the state of consciousness. The most dangerous hole in the state of consciousness for the human being, hypocrisy. You not being honest, if I have to tell you in practical terms, which will straight away make you understand, I am saying morning you are supposed to be here in Akada for doing yoga and morning spiritual practices. If you are not there, simple hypocrisy, you have some way of internally justifying you not being there with some ideas about you or about that instruction or about the person who gave the instruction. Either you don't have a trust over me, or you don't trust that instruction is good, means I have the right to give the instruction, or that instruction will do good to you. You may not trust in any one of these. Or you justify yourself. I think this is more than enough for me. It's okay. I am doing already so much. In the room itself, I am bending my body 10 times. Some idiotic hypocrisy. This is what I call lacking in awareness. Please understand. This is a byproduct of Jagrat Swapna. Whole day, if you spend more and more time on Jagrat Swapna, the gap between you and the master will increase. The gap between you and feeling connected with the ultimate will increase. There is a very beautiful book by a Christian mystic, Thomas Kempis, Practicing the Presence of God. An amazing book. In that he describes how to practice the presence, and he describes his sufferings when he is not able to feel the presence. Dark night of the soul. He talks in an elaborate way. When a instruction is given and it is not done by you, means exactly you are suffering with Jagrat Swapna, hypocrisy, gap. Somehow they can justify to themselves without being in Jagrat, without being in awareness. The Jagrat Swapna can justify itself. Jagrat Swapna is the poison. Justifying Jagrat Swapna is justifying the habit of swallowing poison. If somehow you can get rid of this one thing, if you travel towards pure Jagrat, breaking the Jagrat Swapna, even if you die on the path, it's worthy. It's worthy. Because sometime ignorance is ready to destroy your body, it doesn't want to leave your system. But I tell you, destroy ignorance. Anything it takes. But actually with this courage, when you work on destroying ignorance, you will never die. Why will you die? Nobody will die by falling into the ocean of nectar. Nobody will die by trying to remove the ignorance. No. Again and again straightening yourself to get out of Jagrat Swapna, most dangerous. Please understand. Even Jagrat Sushupti is not that dangerous. Means waking sleep is not that dangerous. No spiritual teaching can work on you. No energy poured in you can work on you. I may pour gallons of energy. Every instruction from the master, from the Siddha, is energy. A small hole in the pot goes away. As Siddha has clearly described, state in which some information is remembered and rest is forgotten due to wavering mind and lack of awareness. Sleeping is okay. Walking is okay. But sleepwalking, you don't know what you are doing. Sometimes you do irreparable things to yourself by this Jagrat Swapna. Understand, In Jagrat Swapna, any karma committed, you have to suffer, nobody can save you. In Jagrat, no karma is committed. In Jagrat Sushupti, maybe let me use English words. In waking, no karma is committed. In waking sleep, the karmas you commit are forgiven. Indra takes the responsibility. If your hand does something in waking sleep, Indra is responsible. For each part of the body, each deity is responsible. Means the cosmic energy is responsible. You don't have the karma. But the waking dream, anything you do, directly you have to suffer. Nobody can remove it. Even master cannot remove it. Maybe he can give enlightenment. That enlightenment can remove indirectly. When the enlightenment happens, it will not be there. But till then, even master cannot remove. Even master cannot remove. Waking dream. Understand? Either you don't trust the person who gave instruction, or you don't trust he is worthy of giving instruction, or you don't trust the instruction is good to you, or you justify instruction is good, the giver is good, it is too much for me, I am not interested. You have different idea about you. Whole in any of these three is whole. H-O-L-E, not W-H-O-L-E. Jagrat Swapna. If you contemplate on this one truth, I am talking to all the devotees all over the world, not just to these few ashramites. I am using them as a Aduvu Munnilai. In Tamil, this word is an important word. All of you need to understand. All the Siddhas sing their songs to somebody. The person may be actually sitting or imaginary. There is one Siddha, he sings all his songs towards agape, means the inner ghost, he talks to his own mind. He makes his mind as a ghost in front of him. He starts telling, oh inner ghost, listen, this is wrong, this is right. As he is instructing to his inner ghost, he is giving out his message and experience. This is called Aduvu Munnilai. Means having somebody as example, telling what you want to tell to the whole world. So what I explained, that few brahmacharis and brahmacharinis incidents, they are examples. Through them, the message is given to all over the world. Understand, every one of you who are listening, if you think you are doing everything for enlightenment and still you are not enlightened, you are suffering, understand, this is the reason. You are suffering with waking dream state or wakeful dreaming. Jagrat Swapna. Sit and analyze today, whole day spend in that. How you are suffering and struggling with your hypocrisy, and how you pamper it. You don't even feel you are suffering, you pamper it. Pampering your hypocrisy, you take it as pampering yourself. No. There is a clear distance between you and your hypocrisy. If you are pampering your hypocrisy, you are supporting your cancer with energy. You say, oh, you have so less energy, please have it some more. I'll bring special protein, special vitamins, special energy, everything for you, please have it. If you want, I can directly supply to you without even through this mouth. Then naturally cancer becomes more heavier than your body. Then you think, oh, I have to survive now. Your very idea about you changes. You think the heavy part is you. So now you start protecting your cancer. This is the most dangerous thing. If you start protecting your cancer, not only you can't come out of it in this birth, you will never be able to come out of it. You will carry for every janma, life after life. People ask me, why do the kids get cancer? What karma they have done? Arey, what do you know? They must be cherishing and enjoying their cancer in the last birth and they don't want to let go of it. Leave it. That's why they bring it back with them. Just this one problem of waking dream, Chakrat Swapna. People do sometime such foolish acts, such ignorant acts. They can never be able to repair it. They have to go through it. It's the most dangerous thing. Contemplate on this one problem today. I don't want to give you too many words. I wanted you to contemplate on this one problem intensely. Jakrat Swapna. Wakeful dreaming. How you are struggling with it, suffering with it. Almost all your problems are just because of this one state. Jakrat Swapna means whole day being in the hypocrisy of justifying, avoiding, not being in aware. Not being in awareness and justifying it. Avoiding being in awareness. Contemplate on it and get out of it. Let you all achieve, live, experience, express and radiate the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you.